What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about getting your first credit card. And getting your first credit card can be very scary for a lot of people. What happens is a lot of people get told by their uncles, fathers, mothers, sisters, brothers, whoever it is, they get told that credit cards are bad, credit cards are evil, blah, blah, blah. But if you live in America and you want to eventually buy a home, you want to buy a car, you want to take out a loan, whatever the case may be, you do, and you will need credit. So the thing about credit is the earlier you start, the better. And because it builds like a longer period of time, like you have a longer credit history, and you can slowly build. And so today I'm going to be talking about the four credit cards that are the best credit cards for someone getting their credit card for the first time. So the first card I'm going to start with is the Chase Platinum card. And I did used to have the Chase Platinum card, but that was actually the first credit card that I did start with. And I did upgrade it into, I don't have it with me, but I did upgrade it into the Quicksilver card. And but yeah, at the time where I got the Chase Platinum card, I had no credit history whatsoever. I had zero credit. And I got approved. I had no credit history at all, and I did get approved. So if someone like me who had no credit history at all can get approved, I'm pretty sure you guys can too. And this is not a card that it is a charge card, so you do get charged a crazy amount of interest. So for this card and any first credit card you get, most of the time you probably won't have zero APR. There is a card with zero APR, and I'll be talking about that in a little bit. So with this card, basically you'll probably get like a low limit in the beginning. You'll probably get like 300 to 500. I got 300 when I first got it. And what I did was, when I had like a small purchase, say I was going to Dunkin' Donuts, I got breakfast. It was like $5. I put it on my card. I was gonna pay that anyways with cash, so I might as well put it on the credit card, And you do get, oh no, actually you don't. Sorry, I'm thinking about the Quicksilver. But yeah, that's a great card and a great way to build your credit fast. I'll talk about that in another video, elaborate, is to keep your utilization under 30%. So let's just say your credit limit is 500. So it would be great to keep it under 500. Let me do the math real quick. Sorry, 150. Yeah. So just keep your total utilization under 150, and you'll be on the way to building your credit very fast. So the second card that I want to talk about is the Chase Slate card. It does offer 12 months, zero APR. So that means you don't get charged any interest if you do carry over a balance. But for new card users, I wouldn't recommend carrying over too much of a balance. And once again, keeping that card under 30% utilization. And the next card that I'm going to talk about is, the Chase Slate. I do have a friend of mine who recently, she had no credit history whatsoever. She had zero form of credit, and she did get approved. So if she can get approved, I'm pretty sure you guys can get approved too. So that's card number 2. Card number 3 would be, well, let me talk about the Discover It card first. What they do is there is a sign-up bonus. I'll actually put my referral link for the Discover in the description. So the sign-up bonus is just swipe one time and you automatically get $50. And they do match everything you get in the first year. So effectively, you'll have 2% cash back on everything, 1% right away, and then 1% they'll match you at the end of the year. So that's a really good card, but sometimes they do require a higher credit score. So a great way to check your credit score, first of all, would be Credit Karma. You can just check out your credit score and see if you have a credit score at all, or if you don't. The last card I want to talk about is, well, if you can't get approved for those 3 cards, the last card I would recommend is definitely the Discover It card. but it's not the regular Discover It card, it's the Discover It secured card. So that's basically, you'll put like money in, you'll put maybe $200 in, and it'll kind of work as a debit card. And yeah, you know, you can build it up soon. And there's a great way, like, you can product change. So eventually in the future, maybe you don't want the secured card, you can call up Discover, just let them know, like, hey, I've been a client with you guys for a long time, blah blah blah, etc etc. And then just ask them to product change into the Discover It card, or maybe another Discover product that you'd like. Yeah, all in all, those are the 4 cards that I really recommend for people who have no credit history at all. And the sooner you start, the better. So if I were you guys, I'd start today. So if you guys like my video, and there's a way that you can apply for other cards and piggyback off someone else's credit score. I'll talk about that in a future video, where you guys can start off with better cards, maybe not like, you know, the cards that I had to start off with. But yeah, I'll explain that in a future video, how to piggyback off someone's credit score. But yeah, that's it. Those are the cards that I definitely recommend for someone getting a credit card for the first time. So if you did like this video, please hit the like button, comment on it if you have any questions, if you guys need any help. And yeah, oh, be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys watching my video. Subscribe. Peace out.